Yeah, it's invisible from the side, but it's visible from this side. What's going on right now?
For over 15 years, I've been adding 1-degree changes to my magic. Small changes, but they're transformative. But it begs the question, when is a trick done? When you're adding a series of 1-degree changes, there comes a point where you add the final degree, when it's time to share the routine with the world.
The entire deck is blank, just like a mirage.
Final Degree features 28 routines that I've honed over hundreds, if not thousands of performances. There's something for everyone, from strolling pieces to packet tricks, openers, closers, self-working. I think you're really going to enjoy it. But the best part, they entertain your audiences. I truly love every effect in this book. Let's cover a few highlights. Detour. It combines ambitious card with card to wallet in a really fun way. There's Mind Trip as well, a 2-card selection that has some really cool alternative endings. And then Ultimate Fate, the last trick in the book. It's an ace production, a matching trick, a suit separation, and the hardest thing, you just need to cut the deck. Now, beyond the effects in the book, there's 6 essays where I've honed 20 plus years of experience to help make you a better performer, better presenter, and a better magician. You're going to learn the power of agility, how to achieve mastery, creativity. I even dissect my signature castle routine with every nuance, and you're going to be a better magician for it. While Final Degree is the final book in a trilogy that I started 15 years ago, it's a book that stands on its own. You don't need the other 2 books to enjoy this book, but if you do have all 3 books, there's a beautiful limited edition slipcase to house all 3 books. And if you happen to have my previous 2 books, you can get the slipcase on its own. This is a project years in the making, and I'm so grateful to share Final Degree with the world. And as you read it, I hope you'll discover Final Degree moments in your own magic. And remember, the extraordinary is closer than you think, just 1 degree away. You can pick up Final Degree now at Vanishing Ink Magic.